Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieve this gorgeous hair and makeup transformation look. This is from AliExpress. I purchased it from AliExpress, I think around 50 something euro, but it's on promo now for 52 euro. It's a 150 density and 13 by 4 frontal. So now this is what I want to do. I want a side pattern. A center pattern does not fit me, so that's what I'm trying to do now. Just spraying water just to lay down. And I don't like to use picker to pick my hair because I'll just go very deep over pick. So that is why I'm using my hand to pluck out some hair. I think you understand that. Can you see the pattern now? I've already finished picking the pattern in my hand. So now the front part is very full, so I want it to be natural. I will spray some water. When you spray some water, it will be very easy for you to pluck out the hair. Do not pluck out the hair without spraying water, or let the hair will hurt you on your hand. So if you can use a picker, you can use a picker. Me, I don't like using a picker. I love using my hand to pluck out the hair. So that is what I'm doing now. I'll go in, then pluck, then I will check if I'm okay with what I've done. If I'm not okay, I'll go in back again. I'll pluck more of the hair. Just checking if I'm satisfied with what I've done now, and I'll comb it out, then check. So now I'll add the color of my foundation. I'll add it because I don't want to tint anything. So just using my foundation to be faster. So can you see, this is it. Now I'll be laying down the hair with the yellow got to be hair gel. When you want to lay your hair down with your hand, you don't want to use the tip of the comb or anything, make sure your hand is clean and washed so that the oil at your palm won't transfer to the gel, or else it won't lay very well to be oily. Make sure you clean the front of your hair before you apply the gel. I didn't show the part because I don't have to show everything, unless the video will be very long, and I don't like my video to be long. Now I'm using a hand dryer just to make it dry in a very low degree, very low. Just using it to lay it down so that it will be dry. And I'll be cutting it out with a scissors. I'll be cutting the excess lace frontal with a scissors. Be careful so that you won't cut your hair. I was extraordinarily careful when I was doing this. And I'll be cutting the remaining parts. I'll be cutting it out. I love cutting it little by little so that I won't spoil the frontal and I won't overcut. So that is why I love cutting it little by little. When I'm done cutting, the excess place that is open after I cut, I'll put little what to be hair gel. I'll put it, then I'll dry it back with the hand dryer, then lay it back. After I'm done doing that, then I'll comb it, make sure the pattern is clean. I'll make sure it's clean. Also, you can see this actually look like my hair. Sorry. Then I'll use my hand. I really love making use of my hand to do anything I want to do with my frontal. And I'll use my hand to bring out little part from the frontal just to make it look natural. If you don't want to do this, no problem. This is what I love doing. Then I'll form a little teddy just to make it look like my hair. So after I'm done doing that, this is the makeup part. I'll be applying this concealer on my eyelid. Then I'll be setting it with this sacha setting powder. All the product, most of the product I'll be using is from AliExpress. The sacha buttercup setting powder is not from AliExpress. The moisturizer I use is not from AliExpress. This concealer that I raised up is from AliExpress, but the concealer is not good. That is why I'm using LA Girl concealer. The concealer is not good. Immediately if you apply the concealer on your eye, it will be kind of ashy on your skin. So I've really before I start making this video, I've tested out all the products. I know the one that are good and the one that are not good. This foundation is the boom. When I'm talking about foundation, this foundation is very, very nice and okay, very lovely. In fact, I don't even know what to say about this foundation. And I'm going to After I'm done with my concealer, I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush, then make sure I blend everything in very well. I'll be using this buttercup setting powder to set it because I didn't have any setting powder from AliExpress. So I'll be using this buttercup setting powder to set. Then this is the foundation I'll be using for contour, highlights, eyeshadow. This eyeshadow is a boom. Oh my god. I love the pigment of this eyeshadow a lot. In fact, you can use this eyeshadow for contour, highlight, eyeshadow as I said earlier. So I'll be using only this eyeshadow to achieve all that look. We are going for a holiday look, so I'll be using this gold eyeshadow on that brown one. I'm not really doing too much on the high part, and the eyeshadow came out so good, so on point. So if you want to apply your eyeshadow, if you want it to be easier for you, you have to look down when applying your eyeshadow. That is one app I'm going to tell you. I really love the pigment of this eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm just trying to blend it very well. That's what I'm trying to do, going back with the first brush I used. Going back into that the same eyeshadow palette, then I'll be using that brown I used on my eye just to contour my nose, to contour my cheeks. I told you earlier that I'll be using only one palette to achieve all that. I'm really enjoying this makeup look. Then I'll be going into that kind of red color just to add some blush to the cheek. So I don't have any setting spray from AliExpress, so I'll be using that Kiko setting spray. These eyelashes from AliExpress also. Trying to show you what the eyelashes look like before I put the complete look. So just applying the eyelashes. Going back into that the same palette, just add some shine on my nose area. Just add some shine anywhere the shine is necessary. You grab that inside the same that eyeshadow palette. This lipstick is from AliExpress. Also, I really love the color of this lipstick and the way it feels so calm on the lips. So let's go back to the inside the hair. So if you want your face to be last, do not spray water. Yes, I said it. Water will only dry and it won't be coily anymore. If you want your coils to be last, make sure you use the mousse. Mousse will make it last, look like the way you applied from the beginning. Yes. So that is also, this is the back of the hair. Now let's look at the final look. Yeah, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, share with your loved ones. Make sure you turn on the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye, ciao. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.